everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're excited to introduce the latest update, AVCLabs Video Blur AI 3.4.0 for Windows. This version includes several powerful new features, especially new tracking shapes, faceless export, frame-by-frame erasing, and new hotkeys. Let's dive right in. First, object tracking now supports both rectangle and ellipse blur options. Before tracking, you simply click on any object in the video, and the system will automatically identify and lock onto it, creating a tracking area instantly. With the new shapes, you can choose the blur style that best matches your subject. Perfect for license plates, people, logos, and more. This makes tracking much more accurate and natural. Second, the new faceless export feature allows you to view all detected faces in your video and export them as a file for easy review and management. Third, you can now use the eraser tool in frame-by-frame mode to refine your mask on each individual frame, giving you precise manual control. To improve your workflow, we've added new hotkeys, especially useful in frame-by-frame mode. These shortcuts help speed up your detailed masking work significantly. If you frequently work with sensitive information in videos, these new tools will greatly boost your efficiency. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.